Hi, Silvino here with Good Steward Property Management. In this video, I'm going to go over the instructions on how to change your HVAC filter in the different places that you might find them. With the hatch compartment, you simply lift up the door, take out your old filter, grab your new filter, and you're going to slide it back in within the guides. With the removable cabinet doors, you simply lift up on the top one, then lift up and remove the bottom one. You'll find the filter there at the bottom. These filters are quite thin. Sometimes there will be thicker filters, and there will be a guide to slide it back in. Upon returning the doors, it's done in reverse order. Bottom one first, top one last. With a wall or ceiling drill, you simply move the tabs or clips, pull out the old one, you'll stick the new one back in, and return the grill into its original position. If your filter is in the attic space, when you receive it, simply open up a service request on your resident portal and we will send someone out to change it for you. Of course, if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to reach out to us and we will help you as best we can. Thanks for watching.